What's up, everybody? This is, of course, your dude, Litecoin here, and today I'm gonna be talking about this true gem of a website called BlockTrades, which I've been using since like early 2019, maybe even back in 2018. And it's a bit of a crime from my part that I haven't done a singular video about this service because it's really good. Now, I have obviously mentioned it a couple of times in some other videos, but now we're going to be going through how to use it basically and etc. And BlockTrade's concept is very simple. So you basically deposit one coin and you will be getting another from the pairs that are being provided on this website. And it's extremely fast. Registration is just with your email. There is no KYC whatsoever on the website. In case you're going to be trading over $1,750, then you have to actually do KYC. But most of the time, I'm actually like trading 20 bucks there and there. So I haven't done KYC because I don't need it and I don't usually trade with this large sums. But people who are looking into getting their currency changed one from to another, this is an amazing service, a really good, and has been around for a very long time. And the way they basically do it is they scan, basically the multiple exchanges, and then they find the current best price for that cryptocurrency and buy it with another one, basically. So it uses kind of like BitShares and etc. and things like this. But let's kind of, see the process in service. Also, this is kind of like built around Hive. So you can buy Hive accounts also from here, Hive Power, and also Hive delegations. And Hive is something that, well, I have one video coming out later today, and we're going to be probably talking about a lot more because it's a really good blockchain for, doing its own thing. Now, what we're going to be doing here is, first of all, looking at the pairs. So there are a lot of things that you can do here throughout the BitShares, for example. The main coins, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Dogecoin, EOS. It's under maintenance right now. And there's a couple of Ethereum ones, but Ethereum is obviously through fees. There's OmniLayer also for Tether. That's something you have. I would love them to have OmniLayer for BTC because I got some money stuck there. And I got Monero and Litecoin. So what I'm going to be doing here today is I'm going to be dumping, or actually I'm going to be selling some Monero. So we're going to be trading Monero. I have my Exodus wallet here. Doge is really low right now when we look at the price chart here. Well, it's not from the top. So we're looking, we were almost 8 cents. Now we're at 5 cents. I don't know if Doge is going to be going up, but it doesn't really matter. Monero has been seeing some gains, so I'm going to be sending some Monero. I'm going to be making a nice clean number. So I'm going to be putting the ready to send. So I'm going to be sending 3.3. Oh, how much Monero did we have? I'm going to be putting a 3.773. Okay. So first we're going to be choosing Monero. And then we're going to be choosing the coin we're going to be getting. This is a very fast service, by the way. Obviously, there's limitations on the liquidity here. Maybe in the future they are able to do something about that. It's a really cool design altogether. So I'm going to be sending 0.0733 Monero, and we're going to copy this number here. Copy, guys, easy. And we're going to be putting this here, send. And this is how much Doge we're going to be getting. The next part obviously is to get our Doge address. So I'm going to be receiving this, copying it, then depositing this address here where we're going to be receiving our money. And then we're going to get the deposit address, which means where we're going to be putting our Monero. And obviously, like, there are certain limitations on, like, obviously it makes sense to send reasonable amounts of, money. So we're just sending and pasting that Monero address, 0.073. Send. I'm doing this example with fast blockchains because doing the process on, on something else. Okay, we didn't get that. I wanted one Monero, but I'm going to be buying it probably more later. So now you can see there's a pending transaction. So there's the input hash. Let's look at that. So you can see your completed transactions. As you can see, I saw a lot of my Well, a lot of things here. Where was the first? In 2018, yeah, I started trading here. So it was earlier than I expected. So let's go back into, okay, I don't know what this is. This is the local Monero ID hash, receive address. Let's see from here, Doge chain. Has it actually received anything? This is from the 15th. We're going to be waiting a bit of more time. And meanwhile, until we wait till the transaction goes through, you can already refresh the tab. I mean, it's already registered once you have logged in. Back in the day, you didn't even needed an email address to basically log in. But, you know, and depending on the coins that you're going to be choosing, there's going to be a different amount of confirmations that you need basically to go through. And then there's the auctions tab where you can basically, you know, I guess you can put up an auction for, oh, this much I want to sell for this amount. They do a lot of updates too. They have a whole Hive block here. You know, software works on modeling information. They used to support Steam, and now, like, this is a great gateway, like selling your Hive on Steam or buying it, because you can do it on low sums. A lot of the exchanges, like let's say Binance and BitShares, which support Steam and Hive, they have usually like very high, low minimum trades, like $10 and above. So that's something that, you know, have like maybe $1 in Hive in your account, and you can sell it very easily. And the website comes in different languages. So there's Polish, Chinese, and that is Taiwanese, Mandarin. I don't know. Is that one is Mandarin and one is Cantonese. And as I said, you can buy also Hive accounts from here. Hive, I think, is a good investment when you're going to be... the current cost of making a one Hive account can be bought with a lot of different currencies. Doge is probably the best. So 36 Doge is not much. You obviously will be getting some Hive in the account, which will be staked, allowing you to post, allowing you to upload, and things like this. Maybe we need a separate video on Hive creation. And you can also buy Hive power here, and you can also buy Hive delegations. And what else do we have? We haven't discovered here. There's a help page, which goes into a lot of things. There's the account tab, profile. You can look at the authorizations, declarations. I'm not a US citizen, for example. There might be some limitations on American US citizens, but I guess if you use a VPN, it's not a problem. Here you can see all the transactions once again, which I've done on the past. And I've done it sometimes without account, so there's more than these actually, which I've been going through. And I've been mostly buying XRMR here, and that's very good because it's been going up. There's also an affiliates tab. I don't know if I can... I think you need to... This was like a really weird thing. You can set my affiliate ID if I manage to find out how this actually works on the down below, and you know, support my work. And you can embed this, by the way, on your website. So in case you want to offer your users an easy swapping process, you can do this by URL parameters. And what is the mappings page? Okay. This is, I don't know what this is. I have no idea. And then there's a BitShares account, which you can, I guess, link. But let's actually get back into... okay, there it goes. There we go. Finally, the Doge is on our balance. It took some time. I mean, like 3 minutes or something. Obviously, if you're going to be sending like Litecoin and something... Like Monero will need more confirmations, guys. So this was how easy it was, basically. And we lost like 6 cents on this trade, I guess. I mean, I think we sent like $9.07 of value of Monero. Actually, let's confirm that. How much was the... Okay, it was like 40 cents here, give and take, and obviously there's going to be fee attached, but I mean, for a simple process like this, it was pretty smooth, and I'm willing to pay that extra couple of cents there top of it. But definitely, people who don't want to do KYC, this is an excellent trade platform for you. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing you guys on the next video. Cheers.